Hey friends, we are going to learn a move. It's kind of a shifting lunge movement. We're shifting our weight from forward to back and then side to side. We're going to do it in a turnout. It can be done in parallel. We're going to show you a turnout. So our feet are in a first position and we are going to take the front leg forward, plie, shift the weight forward, point the back toe. Shift, plie, plie, shift, point the front. Shift through, point the back. Find that diamond, point the front. Then to the side, plie, point left. Plie, point right. Plie, point left. Plie, point right back to the front. We plie, shift the weight, point back. Plie, shift the weight, point front. Plie, shift the weight, point back. Plie, shift the weight, point front to the side. Plie, point, and plie, point. Plie, point, and a plie, point. Okay, you should feel some activity happening in your legs. Something that's super easy to overlook is often we can overwork our quads. They're beautiful and great, but let's not make them do any more work than they have to. So really great if you're cool at touching your bum, do this with me. Find your sit bones. Your sit bones are in between that cushion on your bum. When I take my plie forward, I want to activate, and really feel this hamstring insertion going nice and powerful. And then as I plie, I'm going to transfer and activate this side, point. Plie, transfer, feel it engage, point. And transfer, feel it engage, point. So, give it a try. And if you feel comfortable, you can go a little bit faster. Okay? Practice.